airplanes, huh? Huh? They big airplanes, huh? See this one over here? Let's go look at this one. Look at that big airplane. What a big airplane, huh? Look at that.
We got out of the lobby. We go find another.
What is that? Here, Bob, go over here and stand by the. Go stand over here, Bob. Yeah, Bob. Look at that thing. Look at it. That's a jet blasting motor there. Look at that.
How big are the motors in these?
Big.
Huh?
Big.
Really?
I don't really know. Look at that.
Look at that bouncing! Whoa.
See that thing spins?
That's black.
That's what makes the smoke come out.
Black. Jack?
I think this is a Raptor. This is the Raptor. This is one of them.
It's stuck in them. Ooh, dog. I see. Ooh, nice.
Wow. Look at that thing. There's another one.
You want to get in line?
You want to sit in your stroller? Here's Giovanna in front of the largest airplane in the planet, almost, on Nate Dogg's head.
Hey, you got something in your teeth. Tell Joe he's something in his teeth. Got it.
Wow.
Hey, there's some at the door.
Someone
at the door.
One in.